Atoms are the building block of matter. Your books, your pencils, your clothes, and even the air are made up of atoms. Atoms are extremely small and cannot be seen with the naked eye or even a magnifying glass. The word atom comes from the ancient Greek word atomos, which means indivisible. For example, if you take a block of gold and chop it into half, chop it again, then again, and again for a very long time, you would eventually get to a point where you can cut no more and be left with the smallest piece of gold possible, an individual gold atom. Think of the block of gold as a room of balloons. If you half the number of balloons in the room, half it again and keep doing this, you will eventually end up with just one balloon. If you cut the balloon, does it still function as a balloon? No. The same can be said about atoms. If I were to half the last atom of gold, it would no longer be gold. So an atom is the smallest unit of an element, having all the characteristics of that element.